Yes, sir. Yes, sir. We back. One stop drip shop unboxing in the Bando. It's been a little minute, man. But I ain't stopped doing the things I like to do, man. I just stopped bringing it to you. You feel me? This YouTube shit kind of slow. I'm in the high speed lane, man. I like moving fast, so. But yeah, man, we gonna keep it up to speed, up the pace. We back, man. Got some drip for you. If you ain't out there in the field, you know what this bag hitting for. Matter of fact, let me lean into the, so we fucking with these boys on this one. So let's see what we got for y'all, man. Double up real quick. Nah, I be aggressive, nigga. I'm aggressive when I'm opening this shit. What's up, man? What's up, man? Something light. I ain't go too crazy on that niggas, man. Something light. Let's see what we got. I've been planning on springing y'all everything, man. So, matter of fact, let me give y'all a second to guess what the fuck y'all think this is. You know what I mean? Alright, bad time's up. Let's see what we got. What could it be? What could it be? Package, right? It's not too big, so it's gotta be something light. Let's see what we got. Ooh, yes, sir. Yes, sir. You feel me? Yeah, we grip these gloves up one time, man. Shit getting cold in the city, you know? So need a little protection, man. And then on these Prada joints. Let me know in the comments what y'all think about these. I got the whole little fit with them too. I'm gonna let y'all see how I'm rocking out with these. Probably post the rest of the shit, but let me give you a little inside details on these. So this is size 9. These go by sizes, so you might have to go on the spot, get your shit fitted if you don't know your exact size, you know what I mean? You might have to run in there and get your joints fitted, man. But let's see. You know what I mean? A lot of details in this shit though. Built right, you know what I mean? Was it worth the 400? Yeah, I say yes, man. Once you a fly nigga, you realize shirts and shit you ain't gonna wear too much. You probably wear a shirt once or twice, you know what I'm saying? And that'd be like a couple $100, man, $1,000 spent on a shirt you wear once. But accessories, see, I could wear this shit all through the winter, you know what I'm saying? And this type of vibe right here, I could bring out another year or two. So I probably get 100, 200 wears out of this shit, you feel me? If that, but it's way worth the shirt, man. Like I said, man, I didn't spend $1,500 on a shirt. Only wore that shit once, so I don't really trip off accessories, man. In my opinion, it's a good price, but they got a few other several other price points for these. They got them in a little bit thicker, like more ski vibes, but that shit was kind of goofy for me. I don't like goofy big gloves, you know what I mean? Nah. Squeeze first, ask questions later, you know what I mean? So you need some nice sleek gloves, get in and out, you dig? Like a bandit, so these was perfect for me, man. But y'all, like I said, like y'all let me know in the comments, man. Welcome a nigga back. Shoot my vids out like these shit so I can get up, man. Keep bringing y'all more drip. You know I got more in the clip. I probably do shit. My whole thing be, man, finding time for these things, so I just do it for the love right now. I ain't generating no paper off this, so I can't really put too much time into it like I should be doing. But yeah, I show these shits more love, man. I definitely find the time, put more time into this shit for y'all, man. You feel me? And shout out to the niggas that do be in the comments showing love, man. For my next vid, I'm gonna write y'all niggas names down, shout y'all niggas out, cause y'all do be couple niggas just pulling up like, yo, keep doing your thing, bro. I think a nigga name was Isaiah. So Isaiah, if you see Isaiah, I ain't gonna say your last name. I was about to wild out, my boy. But if you see this nigga, shout out to you, nigga. I got your comment and shit showing mad love. So Yeah, man. We out, one stop drip shop, unboxing in a Bando. You know what I mean? Another video on the rando. So y'all never know when I'm dropping. I got like the little bird shit with my droppings. You know what I mean? You don't know when I'm dropping, nigga. But yeah, we out, man. One shot drip shop, unboxing in the Bando. We out. Play ahead to stay ahead, my niggas. You know what I mean? Money you save now, save you later, nigga. Don't be fooled by seeing me buying all this shit like a nigga just be blowing his money on this shit, man. Stack your bread, go shopping with the crumbs. You heard? We out, my boy.